I would never hit record.
Boo Boo, that is amazing. That is amazing, Boo Boo.
This says the Red Sox are winning 4-0. The bottom of the fourth.
Oh, this Washington game, this is yesterday.
You're saying that it's-
This is a replay of some sort. We're watching some type of replay. Because they beat Washington.
Oh, this is good.
They're replaying it because it was so epic.
Fired employee shoots 4 people, 2 fatally, including company owner in Florida, before killing himself. Too many guns out there.
Standard.
Uh-oh.
You never piss anybody off.